It is very unfortunate that people are using this disaster as an opportunity to scam people who really need help. A couple of examples of areas where scammers may take advantage are in home repair or tree removal services, insurance adjusters, and donating to charities. Some helpful tips to identify scams are to make sure home debris or tree removal companies or home repairs are legitimate by visiting Better Business Bureau's website, www.bbb.org. Collect bids from at least 3 companies, ask to see their certificate of insurance, or call their insurer. Avoid companies from another state. Work with local companies with good reputations. Do not pay for work up front. Inspect the work and make sure you are satisfied before you pay. Pay by credit card or write a check directly to the name of the business, not the person's name. How to know whether an organization is valid to donate money or supplies. You can check the organization's charity ratings and history through Better Business Bureaus, Wise Giving Alliance, Charity Navigator, Charity Watch, or GuideStar. Do not respond to unsolicited calls, emails, and text messages asking you to give. They could be phishing scams. For security and tax records, pay by credit card. Legitimate charities will never ask you to donate by purchasing or redeeming gift cards for themselves or any affiliated individuals. If you feel pressured to give immediately, don't. If you or someone you know has been a victim of a scam, file a complaint with the North Carolina Department of Justice's Consumer Protection Division at www.ncdoj.gov/complaint or by phone at 877-566-7226. You can also contact our office at dsdhh.helene2024@dhhs.nc.gov. You can call during business hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday at 919-527-6930 or 800-851-6099. Text 919-609-0840 or call through video phone at 919-890-0859.